All right, you guys, back with another video. You know what? I'm not even going to try to put them in consecutive order. But what I am going to do for myself is put the video number in because I'm afraid I'm putting up duplicates. So these are in no particular order, just so you guys know. I'm not trying to put them in sequence because that has gotten too confusing. Actually, what I could have did was just started putting the auto system that was used by the instrument. For instance, this video by the Panasonic camcorder I use was named S as in Sierra 1290005, and then there's a 129006, 129007, and I was combining some of them, and some of them I was putting up by themselves, and it was getting confusing. And so since I'm already in the process, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them up haphazardly, and then I'm going to put that identifier in the title, because trying to go back now doesn't make any sense, because I can't even remember where I left off. I left off yesterday. The video I put up yesterday was either I deleted 003, so it could have been 002 or it could have been 004. I can't remember. So like I said, I'm just going to put that identifier in the title, and then I know which last one I posted. I'm telling you this information because I was thinking that I was double posting stuff. That's why I'm telling you this. This is another video of me putting on the buttons. I'm refining my process here. I haven't sewn in 2 days on the white dress with the green and white tartan pockets, because I've been teaching myself Python, and now I'm also looking for a job. So I'm not moving as fast as I want to, taking breaks, trying to get some rest, self-care, all that good stuff. I'm probably going to do some sewing later on tonight. But this right here is me fidgeting, fussing with that process right there. Again, I want you guys to see what I do, what I'm going through. Not so you will be impressed, but yeah, be impressed. But what goes into this, because they have machines that will do this automatically. I don't even know if I'd want an automatic button machine. Maybe I would. I don't know. But again, I'm not making 5,000 pieces. I'm making 5, 10, 15, 20 pieces. And if I ever get into the position where I actually can afford one, because I know there's probably like a gazillion different models, maybe I'll get an automatic button holder versus an automatic button machine. I'm sorry, because they have machines that automatically sew buttonholes as well. There's even a tool, but I didn't like the looks of it. The results, it looked just like the results from the machine I have here. So that's on the back burner. But the automatic buttonhole, the automatic button sewer, or whatever it's called, yeah, I could see myself getting one of those down the road, not right now. I wouldn't even have any place to put it in my place. So yeah, if you guys find this content interesting, quirky, cringe, like, share, comment, repost. These are this can be thought of as one of the ways a small firm might make your clothes, because a small firm can go out and get a loan and lease or buy all the automatic equipment. Everybody wants to be a big shot. Someone still has to be able to operate the machine, whether it's a sewing machine, whether it's a serger or an overlock, cover stitch, a belt loop maker, whatever it is. Someone has to operate the tool. They have to operate the machine. So yeah, I'm doing this. So if you guys don't like it, I understand. I don't know how else you expect me to get these clothes made. Take out a loan and negotiate with a contractor overseas. I could do that, but I don't want to do that. Maybe I will do it down the line, but right now this is my process. So this is it for me in this moment in time. Again, like, share, comment, repost. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you in the next video.